We are taking the ferry ride with the motorbike. So here it is. On the left side is for the residents and on the right side is for tourists. There are almost every 15 minutes a ferry ride. So until 11 p.m. and midnight to 12 to 2, there are about like every 30 minutes there are ferry ride. So you have to use the card or cash and or coin for that. So that will be $90 for 2 person in a motorbike and $60 for 1 person. If you are riding what they call a bicycle, that will be $40. It is my very first time to take a ferry ride with a motorbike. It's quite fun, a little bit stressed, especially at night now. So later I will show you how the process when we come back in a proper way. The ferry is loading the passengers now. It's almost quite packed right over here. A little bit stuffy, so I think if you come on the late afternoon, it can be very hot. It is actually not too bad to ride on this ferry. It's very calm. Today the weather is a little bit chilling now. And crossing by this ferry ride, you can see the beautiful side of Kaohsiung. And wow, there's a speedboat crossing by in front of us.
We have arrived at the other side and everyone is preparing to get out of the ferry. It's actually quite an exciting sight, especially when the whole cohort of motorcycles actually on their engine at about the same time. So we are now the ferry is docked and the gate is open. The first motorbike is out. So here we go. This is so fun.
Oh my god, look at the queue!
Oh, the queue, look at that.
Oh my god!
Everyone is going back.
Market.
Okay, there's a night market there, a very short one. And everybody is trying to get back while we are just arriving.
Oh my god!
Alright, that means nobody will fight with us for a lot of places.
Or maybe we got nothing to see later.
Yeah, that could be like
But
also a possibility.
To the hillside.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
We are going up to the lighthouse and I think not much tourists actually visit the lighthouse at night and everyone are leaving. There is a cafe upstairs to overlook the city with a nice coffee and nice view, selected by Sean. It's a little bit of walk, can be a little bit tiring, but since there are lots of people visiting this place, a little bit panting now. Let me show you the cafe in a bit. I love this lighthouse area. It's quite romantic in a way, very cozy. As I say that the weather tonight is very, very comfortable. So if you have nothing much to do in Kaohsiung, you can always take the ferries ride. Come over here to the hillside. There's a cafe right over there, the only cafe. Then I believe that visit this lighthouse is free. Lovely to know that there's some English explanation over here to say that the daily life of the housekeeping of the lighthouse keeper. So the duty is on off the light, cleaning, remove the rust, and then painting and like all the maintenance jobs. So it won't be boring. It's like quite busy thing, a lot of things to do every day. And something is not right. And someone is watching a lot of YouTube and playing Zhou Jielun's songs. Jingyu now his favorite YouTuber. Then that is a lantern room, but sadly it's not able to go up to see. And then what is this? I think it's a landmark. So that's the exhibition rooms, and this is the office. And you can make a wish right over here to write down your wish. You want to write something? The only cafe here is called Shoreline Coffee and Roaster. They have a lot of nice coffee, but most interesting part for us is that this one, the beer, is that I think they homemade this beer, so they have cider as well. Then they also have some small little snack like this, a baguette and the cinnamon roll. We ordered the Guangkou cold brew tea, this one, and going to enjoy our drinks right over here around the lighthouse. The next one we are coming here will be Shijing Tunnel of Star. In the Google Map, it's shown very beautiful, very pretty. So there's also a beach right on the left side, but we are going to the tunnel right over here. Yep, the sunset bar there looks average to me, but I think Sean might like this tunnel, I think. But the photo in the Google Map was like a few years ago, so do not have high expectation at the moment. Okay, here it is. It's a very long tunnel if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so it's tunnel of star. Can you see the stars blinking? So star. It's actually not too bad though, but just have to wait for all the light to blink out. And right over here you can feel that the wind is very strong, so if you come on the cold day, it's gonna be very cold. So like I say, when the light is on, fully on, and it will look slightly nicer, that's slightly better to take photo. Otherwise it's quite ugly. Some of the painting here, I think if removed to a black color would be better, but it's still not too bad. A lot of people are actually coming here to take a very nice photo. This is one of the old street in this island. Surprisingly, it is what time it is now? It is 8 o'clock and most of the shops start to close now. So we have not taken any dinner yet. So we will you can ask for your fortune there. We have to look for a place for dinner. If you keep walk straight there will be the ferry terminal.
Because most of the shop over here at the old street is more or less like closing, so we decided to head back to the ferry terminal to take the ferry back, and then thereafter hopefully we get to another night market where we can actually show you some of the selections at that particular night market. We are here at the Shijing ferry terminal, going into the terminal station. So there are 2 lanes, one for the local residents and one for the tourists. Okay, I'm going to take out my money, so apologies if it's a little bit shaky.
I think we just missed out the entrance.
No. Okay, never mind, we'll wait for the next one.
It's only 15 minutes wait.
Okay. Okay, here we go. OK， 那个如果是一个人的话是多少？
那你要投60块呢？
好，
还是你要用这一张刷一下？
好，可以，都可以吗 ？OK。
因为扣不同钱不会误会哦。
哦，好，谢谢。Oh, okay. So if you only have one card, you can actually tap it both times, 2 times at both terminals. Yeah, alright. So now we are inside, and then Jim has got to find a spot. So now he learned already that this is the area where the what do you call this? The ramp will be let down, and then so he decided to park it here.
You can just leave your bike there and then just find a spot. So over here is more cozy. Then you can just come over here to catch a very nice view. The ferry ride, it takes about like 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. Since there's still boarding, I would like to show you how the pedestrian ferry ride. So if you are coming by foot, this is how the waiting area looks like. And it has a nicer view over here at the 2nd floor. So most of the people actually, they left their bike underneath and then they come over here.
Okay, here it is, the entrance or the exit of this ferry terminal, and everybody is raring to go at this juncture. Engines started to roar already. Room. It's actually quite a majestic sight if let's say the whole ferry deck is filled with motorcycles. Okay, down comes the ramp, and once it hits the floor, off we go. Woo! And we are out of the ferry terminal. Okay, time to look for food.
After about 20 minutes motor ride, we are here at the Zhongxiao night market. It's along the roadside, similar like the one we had in Taichung. So we are coming here to try that one, the lamb. So we have been eating a lot of chicken, we've been eating a lot of beef, some seafood. So this time, and we are going to come to try the lamb. We also have some duck already. So this is the one we are going to try. The staff here is very, very friendly. That this gentleman, he actually introduced me that you should order this one, the sa cha yang rou, and then the qing jiao yang rou. So these are the two two items that you should order. So let's go inside to have a seat, and then I'll show you how the dish looks like. Oh, it's air conditioned. It's very nice. This is the sa cha yang rou, and then this is the chong bao yang rou. So we are going to try two of these, and then we'll walk around the night market. We found something our favorite, which is the lao lai tea, really nice tea. But this one, Li Shi, has got long queue, so we are going to try this one first. Then we walk around, then we come back for lao lai. The next stop, we are here to try the Cui Hua Mian Xian Hu, which is something quite unique as well. It's a Taiwanese dish. So this is the oyster mi suan hu and the dumpling. So they have a recommendation to taste this mi suan hu. So first you stir a little bit and then drink the soup first, and then add in their homemade chili. If you like spicy food, it's gonna be a kick for you. Then add on the la jiao gao. I think it should be this one. Then to get a better taste. So we are going to enjoy two of this. The oyster looks huge. Sean has been requesting me to bring him to this beautiful place, a place that his idol had the concert here, right? The Ame. It's something new, and when the open ceremony right over here, they have beautiful drones like shine out the sky with a lot of cute items. And it was in the news that I was quite impressed, and I can see right over here, it's like, yeah, it is very well designed, it's beautiful. And Sean just want to come here to take photo. We have a fun memory here. When our last visit, Sean trying to cross the road, and it was way too windy. His head was rolling over the road, and then like everyone's watching him catching the head. It was so funny that we can see the people are laughing at him. Anyway, this is called the Dayi warehouse, Pier2. It had got lots of very nice, beautiful structure, and what they call a warehouse, old warehouse. Very nice. We love here on our last visit, so we decided to come back here for a quick walk. But this time we are here at an evening time. So it could be slightly different, and I strongly recommend you to come over here because at night we found out that nothing much you can do in Kaohsiung. So visit this Pier 2 is a good choice for you.
This whole stretch of warehouses has undergo some form of transformation. So they have shops selling little trinkets, some F&B outlets, but most of them are already closed by now, which is about 10:30. So there's also bicycles selling here. Yeah, so as mentioned, because it's about 10 plus now, it's already closed, but we are still very puzzled by the fact that because it's a Saturday evening, right, how come the shops actually close so early? So yeah, lots of art installation along the way, just like this one you see over here. This one not included. Yes.
We actually stay nearby this area,
before.
So tomorrow we can come over here.
And we can actually walk over here also. You can see over here there's a bridge that links both rows of the refurbished warehouses, and in the background there's also some art installation. It's a very nice place to stroll in the evening, just relaxing stroll after a dinner with your friends, family and loved ones. I think that is a great spot to come here to kind of just chillax the evening away. Came here to look for a sculpture which intrigued us many years ago, and it's still available here. So as you can see, this is the sculpture of a creature with a very ginormous phallic object in the form of a head. So this person is indeed a dickhead. And it's fighting with this warrior over here that has got a mop as a weapon. Oh, and a mop spins.
This is a new installation.
Yes, it is. Very cool.